How then? Well, had a wicked weekend at a friend's wedding there up in the borders of Scotland. Had a fantastic time. They asked if I would take my drone and do some footage, and I'm so pleased I did. Unbelievable. What a venue. What a venue. It's the 9th day. I'm heading down to Coventry. Thankfully that job in South Shields is done. So that's why I've not been vlogging, because it's just South Shields, working over there, labouring, whatnot. Back and forwards a couple of times with the wagon. Not special. I certainly wouldn't bore you with it. But I'm on my way to Cov. I've got about 7 tonne there. Get that unloaded. Mucking with the lads that's there already, and I'm having a night in Leicester in a pub. Oh dear. Finish the job off at Coventry in the morning, and then we're going to head down to Peterborough to take down that job that was done a few weeks ago to finish with it all. Massive job, 3 or 4 nights it's going to be. I'll be back and forwards loading up with a Hiab back to a yard where we're allowed to leave the stuff, and then I'll probably be heading back down there following week on my own, literally just back and forwards to Coventry, because there's a huge job coming up there. And I need all the gear, so I think that's the plan. It seems to change quite a bit. Logistics, so in a way, innit? That's how it is. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning now. I'm been in the yard since 7:30. Just had quite a bit to do before I could set off. So check the wagon, loaded up a couple of extra things, and I've just fueled up there. Well, filled it. I didn't neck it, like, because it's still seeing I've got like about a quarter left there to fill it. So I didn't neck it, but I've got enough to get down there. Between Coventry and Peterborough, there's that services that I used once before. I've got half a tank of AdBlue, so I need to keep an eye on that. And we're on year 1. So let's sit in some traffic for a while, I think, a little bit further along. Oh, here's me reminder about heading south. I've had loads of this all the way down, like. Well, I'm not too far, I'm about 8 miles away from the M18. Got 95 miles to go. And it's told me I'll be there for 1:30, but I might have to add a 45. I'll keep an eye on it. So I'm kind of on schedule. I said 2:30 with a break. But I've done 2 hours, 39-minute driving. Got under 2 hours left. Something's happened here, aren't there? Ugh. That's all I can say. Apart from stop recording. Oh my god, it's taken forever, this one. Absolute ages. Still 2.5 miles from the M18. 11:45, sorry. There's nothing that's on the road though. Like when we speed up a while and then we go back down to that crawl for the invisible incidents. It's insane. It's always around the same areas around here, always. This is what knocks your driving time up. You can get there by the skinnier teeth, Coventry, especially to the site I'm going to, within the 4.5 hours. Like, everything has to go well though. Not like this. Not like this. The River Don. Not seen a single person fishing there. Normally see the odd 3 or 4. I used to anyway, while I was down there. On the half-mile. See, we're speeding up again now and there's no breakdowns, nothing. It's just weird. Freight to the EU papers may change November 1st. Please check. There's a sign just there. It's all gonna happen. My passport runs out before we go away, and I need to renew it before January. So I am hoping there isn't going to be another delay. Let's just get this done and dusted. See what kind of passport I get. I'm not going to be flying to Europe though, it's Southeast Asia, so it's different, but I might try and grab a sneaky one in before then. Once I know we're out, then I'll apply, and however long it takes. I know I've got time to get it. Certainly can't be last minute with a passport, can you? It's happened before though. Had to go to Durham once. Goodbye A1, hallelujah. $85 to go. Not number 44, that's a good target. See you around there. M1. Weather is rank or ank. There's no escape either if it's like this when I get to the site. Gonna be a wet one. I have orange for working on the road one from tomorrow, but you can wear yellows, and luckily the yellows I've got waterproof bottoms and waterproof jacket, so quite lucky there. We'll see. Praying for it to stop raining now. .76 to go. I've just had a 45 in tip shelf. Not a bad services. I had a Costa voucher for a birthday present, so I've just had a nice large coffee and a toasty. Bit naughty like, considering I've lost a stone and a half in the past 10 weeks. But needs must, and that was a bloody lush. So only 60 miles to go. I had about an hour driving time left. I was desperate for the loo. I knew I wasn't going to make it in one hit, so they are just take it now. Check the load again, still absolutely solid, hasn't moved at all. Perfect. Get it right first time, it saves a lot of bother. Lot of smoke coming out of this vehicle. Why is he drifting towards it? Dear me. Oh, blown engine. Oh dear.